Yung medium finish mo, 8 to 10.
So, after turuan na ito.
Medium finish yun.
Yan, natutunan
Ang
naman
tinatawag
tayo.
ng mga materials swerte, mga 50 na per meter. So,
Parang ganyan. What's that?
What's that? What are you doing?
regular finish, like may
Jump!
flooring na tiles, yun yung regular finish na. Siguro,
Keep
may
it happy and you know it, clap your hands.
glass na.
Pero like, kapag don't touch the floor.
Oh, ano na, compute mo yung total square meter.
Square meters na.
Times mo dun sa price.
Wow, what are you
Times,
doing?
bawa,
Hip
8,000
hop
per
naman na lang
meter.
yung teach
So,
kay
hindi siya talaga accurate. Yung mga,
hip hop. Hip hop naman,
idea
hip
ka
hop.
na magaling mo
Hip hop.
tapakin.
Hip hop. Galing ni Vera.
How about your song, Vera? I heard
Hi, Dad, 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 Dad.
Drawing.
Dad. Dad. Oh, yeah.
Where's your knees, Kai? Where's your
Where's
knees?
your knee? How about your
Shoulders.
Vera?
Shoulders. Head.
Hands.
Toes.
Toes. Your toes.
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 Where's
Daddy, kita.
Toes.
Toes
Gusto
na
ko
lang,
yan.
toes.
Toast na punta.
Ilang square meters?